Here's the challenge for today. I want to print some labels to organize things, but the label cassettes are not organized. Organized? Not organized. And of course, we're gonna fix that with 3D printing. These are made by my brother MihaiDesigns. Let's print more. And you might ask, how do I find the design? It's free, and let me show you how. You basically go to Thanks and search for MihaiDesigns. Scroll down a bit, there it is. It's called Label Tape Canister. Get the size which you like and print that. Now it's perfect.